Alright guys, we're doing another video. Um, on this video we are going to be doing a coolant hose. It is not um, anything that's wrong with it currently, but I'm just changing it out just for preventive maintenance. I've seen a couple of ATSs and CTSs uh, develop a leak in a certain spot of the coolant hose, and this is it right here. Um, and it will develop a leak somewhere around here, or sometimes here. And it's rubber, uh, three rubber breakoffs on here. And the center section is plastic, and the plastic is where it fails. So we are going to be replacing it. So like I said, this one is still fine. Um, it it breaks off into the radiator right here and to the engine, which is here. Um, I took this portion of uh, the intake off just because I think we are going to for another video that we do. But I went on and took that off, got a couple of rags and paper towels because I know we're going to lose coolant doing this. And also the car is still a little warm. I let it sit for a couple of hours and the coolant is still raised. So I know for a fact we're going to lose quite a bit. But I have some more. It'll be okay. So I'm going to set you up, and hopefully this won't take too long, but I know majority of it's going to be the cleanup part of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you set up, and we are going to try to get this swapped out. And I have some plugs right here. I need to see which ones I need. I'll just take out a couple just for now, because I don't know which sign I need. Probably gonna make quite a bit of mess. I'll try to go ahead and get some plugs ready. Oh, there is no spill. So I'm going to plug this, and I'll plug this. That's too big. Alright, so that one worked. And we do have to remove this trim panel here. Well, I guess we don't have to, but it will be easier to see this connector. So I'm gonna go ahead and take, let's see, maybe I won't take it off. I'd have to remove this gasket. But there is a connection here that goes to the radio. I mean, yeah, radiator, and and so we're gonna try to take that off. And we also have one over here by the engine. And I don't know which one I should take off first. Probably going to do the radiator just because it's the hardest to get to. I'm gonna put this rag up under the hose. This one is probably gonna leak pretty good. This hose is stuck on here pretty good. It's finally moving. Oh, it's coming out. And it splashed me in the face. Is there smaller? Alright, so got that plugged. Oh, it's still coming out. Okay, so that got my eye, and hopefully that stopped leaking. I did pull it off. I lost quite a bit of it. I don't know if you can tell that the rag is wet. It did stop leaking. So now we have this last one right here. This one should be pretty easy to get to. Probably gonna make a mess again. plug ready. Alright, nothing came out of that. I'm gonna plug it anyway. That's a small plug again. Alright. Alright. Oh, there was coolant in there. So that right there is the old hose. Like I said, I don't see any damage to it, but we are going to replace it. We're going to reuse these hose clamps, and we'll go ahead and get the new one on, which it should be easier because there is no coolant in these hoses, or in that hose. So I'll go ahead and get these clamps taken off of this one and put in on the other one. All right, so I got the clamps on the new hose, and we are going to go ahead and install it. I should probably spray something on this. And there is a little indicator where the clamp should sit between. All right, let's do this radiator. It did leak a little bit. On there pretty good. And now the last one is this one. That's for the engine. And also it is named where it's supposed to go. This one says ENG for engine, the other one said rad. and this one said, this one didn't have anything on it actually, but two of them are named. And some of it came out here as well. So that right there is how to replace the coolant hose, and for the reservoir, radiator, and engine, it's an all-in-one hose. But that was it. Pretty quick video. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.